first part of this demo will be the introduction. So for the introduction, I'll be explaining how the Unity client is connected to the Python server and how the user are able to use the custom algorithm to write his own routing algorithms to guide the drones inside of this Unity game. And then I'll introduce how to build basic camera movements such as using WSAD and the right click of the mouse button to rotate and move the cameras in the scene around. And the second part of this demo is to introducing the edit mode. So inside of this edit mode, the user will be able to click on one object and adjust its positions. And in this way, we can let the researchers to configure their own Skyway network. And we can also add another Skyway component such as a new node, and we can adjust its positions to let it be on top of a building. And then we can drag and drop our mouse to link these newly added components to the existing Skyway structures. So as you can see, the Skyway is configurable, and if we click on save, we'll be able to save this Skyway network into a file in a JSON format. So we can go to the system to check the newly added Skyway that we saved. In this saved Skyway folder, we can click on this one and we'll see that this is the JSON file we just saved. And also in the edit mode, we'll be able to adjust the settings. So there are many settings for this game, like for drones, environment, Skyway, and all these settings are used to adjust something in the scene, such as the line edge thickness. I'll be able to adjust the line thickness visually of the Skyway network. So this is for the edit mode. And for the play mode, we are able to click play, and then we enter the play mode, which is playing, and you can see the subswarm is already flying. And if we click pause, we're able to freeze the movements, and then we'll be able to double click one object of this Skyway. Then we'll be able to to use our camera to follow this drone. And we can adjust the speed of this game in order to make it quicker for the researchers to Okay, so right now I clicked it to 1 speed, and then we finished the simulation. And as you can see, whenever the simulation is finished, the data is saved to a file, and then if we go to that file, we can find all the information and the data collected of a drone. Saved simulations, and click on this file, and we'll be able to see the information of one drone for this simulation.